Internet and Email. This chapter will focus on the introduction to Internet and Email, terms associated with the Internet, requirements to connect to the Internet, email, types of Internet connection, creating an email account. Introduction. The term Internet stands for Interconnected Network. It is the biggest network that connects millions of computers globally. It allows us to access and share information over the network. There are billions of websites on the internet that provide information. These websites have pages that are related to one another. The website address, also known as a Universal Resource Locator, that is URL, is a unique address that is used to access websites. Requirements to connect to the internet. I hope you all know what internet is, children. Wonderful. To get connected through the internet, you would require the following resources. A computer system. The basic requirement to use the internet is that you must have a computer system with some additional features like speakers or headphone, which makes it a multimedia computer system. Telephone and cable lines. A telephone or cable line is used to send and receive data. Modem. A modem stands for modulator, demodulator. It is a device that sends and receives digital data over telephone or cable lines. Web browser. A web browser is software that is used to open websites. Some popular browsers are Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. Have you seen these logos, children? What is this? Microsoft Edge. Correct. What is this? Google Chrome. Excellent. And this? Mozilla Firefox. Right. And the red color? Opera. So these are the examples of web browsers. ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider, a company that provides services to the users to access the internet. Some popular internet service provider companies are BSNL, Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, etc. The ISPs provide hardware devices like a modem or a router to connect your computer to the internet. Types of internet connection. Dial-up connection. It requires the phone to be connected to a computer. No calls can be made or received while the internet is being used. Broad connection. It uses a wide bandwidth, providing high internet speed. It is faster than dial-up connection. Phone calls can be made or received while using this connection. Cable TV connection. It is provided through cable TV lines. It uses a cable modem that provides fast internet access. Satellite connection. A satellite dish is installed to connect to the satellite in areas where the facility of broadband connection is unavailable. Digital subscriber line DSL. A two-wire copper telephone line is used that enables the user to make calls while using the internet. The user can access this line by paying a monthly fee to the ISP. Wireless connection. It offers a high internet speed. It uses radio frequency for transmission. It needs a Wi-Fi modem to be linked to a computer. The user can access it from any location having network coverage. Mobile internet. The user can access the internet using his or her smartphone, which has network subscribed by the ISP. It provides a high-speed wireless access to the internet. Hotspot. It provides wireless access to the internet across short distances. It is based on the use of Wi-Fi technology and radio waves. These hotspots can be accessed at places like universities, airports, and hotels. Terms associated with the internet. Web pages. A web page is a document written in hypertext markup language (HTML). You can read a web page on the internet with the help of a web browser. Websites. A collection of web pages made up of related text, images, and other resources are called websites. Home page. Every website has a main page. It is the first page that appears when you open a website. This page is called the home page. It is a default web page that loads when you visit a web address. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It is a web address that you type in the address bar that tells the browser to display the same page. A unique URL identifies every web page. Search engine. The search engine helps you search the documents and files on www. There are hundreds of different search engines available on the internet. A search engine is accessed through a browser on the computer, smartphone, tablet, etc. Hyperlink. A hyperlink is merely a portion of web page that is connected to a URL. A hyperlink can take the form of text, picture, navigational element such as a button or arrow. You can click a hyperlink to navigate from your current position to the provided URL. Email. Email stands for electronic mail. Using email, we can quickly share information, data files such as text, images, audio, video, and other types of files. Tidbit. In absence of the internet connection, you cannot send or receive emails. Advantages of an email. Emails are delivered extremely fast when compared to traditional post. An email can be sent to a large number of persons at once. Emails can be sent 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Sending and receiving an email is very easy and convenient. You can send an email from anywhere in the world. Files of any type can be sent as an attachment through an email. Without having to type the message again, an email can be forwarded to everyone. If an email does not reach its recipient on the first attempt, the mail server sends it again automatically. Email address. An email address is needed to send or receive an email. This address is unique to its user. Some examples of email addresses are applebookcompany@gmail.com, Aditya Sharma@gmail.com, Ankita Agarwal@yahoo.com. Though the syntax of these email addresses are different based on the type of network, they all have the same basic structure: a username, a domain name, separated by @ symbol. The first part shows the username. The second part shows the domain name of the server hosting it. These two parts are separated by @ symbol. So this is the username, this is the domain, both are separated by @ symbol. Each user has a unique username. The domain name is common to all the users using a particular server. Several websites offer free email services based on the internet to manage email accounts. Some of those are www.gmail.com, www.yahoo.com, www.rediffmail.com, and www.hotmail.com, etc. Creating an email account. You can easily create an email account by filling a registration form to choose your email address and password. Let us learn how to create an email account by using the services of the trendy website www.gmail.com. To create an email account, follow these steps. Step 1. Connect your computer to the internet and open the website www.gmail.com. On your web browser, the Gmail homepage appears. Step 2. Click on Create an Account button. Step 3. Create your Google account page appears. Enter the following information: your first and last name in the name section, your desired username under the username. Your email address will be your username followed by @gmail.com. Enter your desired password for the Gmail account under both password and confirm password. Note: a strong password consists of at least 8 characters, a combination of letters in both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and special symbols. Fact Hunt. Gmail was launched on 1st April 2004. Step 4. Click on the next button. The Verifying Your Phone Number page appears. Enter your mobile number and click on the next button for verification. On the given mobile number, you will receive a text message from Google with a verification code. Enter the verification code and click on the Verify button. If you forget your username or password, then the mobile number you have entered will help you recover your Gmail account. That is the snippet. Step 5. On the next page, enter your date of birth in specified fields. Choose a gender. Click on the next button. Step 6. Read Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy on the screen and click on I agree button. Congratulations! Your account has been created. From there, you can sign in to your Gmail account using your username and password. Step 7. The welcome screen of the new Gmail account appears. Click on Continue to Gmail button. The default inbox screen appears. It can be used to send and receive emails. Signing in. You can access your email account anytime by the following steps. Step 1. Double-click on the web browser icon. Step 2. In the browser window's address bar, type www.gmail.com and press the Enter key. Step 3. Click on the Sign In button on the top right hand of the browser window. Step 4. In the email or phone field, enter the username of the email address that you have created. Step 5. Click on the Next button. Step 6. In the password field, type the password you created for your email account and press the Next button. All your emails are visible in the web browser window. Features of an email account. An email service has various features for users like Inbox. It displays a list of received emails. Each message header displays to whom you sent the email, the subject line, the time, date, when the email was sent. You can click on an email to view its contents. It stores all incoming mails. Compose. It allows you to write a new email message. Sent. It is a folder that stores all the emails you have sent to people. Drafts. It stores unsent messages with the draft system label. The messages in the draft folder can be edited later on. Categories. If you want to filter messages into a specific tab, you must use the Categories feature. Gmail gives you built-in categories to organize your inbox better. These categories include primary, social, promotions, forums, and updates. Trash. When you delete an email, it stays in your trash for 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted from your account and cannot be recovered. Composing and sending an email. To write an email, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Compose button on the left side of the screen. A new message box appears. It will open a new window with the following components. 2. In this section, you type the person's email address to whom you want to send the email. CC stands for carbon copy. In this field, one can specify the addresses to whom one wants to send a copy of the email. The email addresses mentioned in this field are visible to all the recipients of the mail. BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. It is also used to send a copy of the email to several people, but the email addresses mentioned in this field are not visible to the recipients of the email. Subject. Write the subject in this field. It is a brief description of the email which gives the recipients an idea about the message. Message. Type the message in the message box. You can format it using available features. Step 2. After composing an email, you can click on the Send button. The email will be sent to the recipient. So this is how you compose an email. Thinking skill. What points should be kept in mind before sending an email to other recipients. Trivia: never use any bad words while writing an email to anyone and use formal greetings. Snippet: you can send files up to 2 GB online using an online transfer service called WeTransfer. Attaching files to an email. You may send essential documents or files like images, documents, or any other files along with your email. To attach a file to an email, follow these steps. Step 1: click on the Attach Files icon. Step 2: the Open dialog box appears. Browse and select the file you would like to attach with your email. Step 3: click on the Open button. The file gets attached to your email. Step 4: click on the Send button to send the email with attachments. Reading an email. Clicking on an email from a friend allows you to view it. The number in front of the inbox indicates the number of unread email messages in your account. Unread messages are highlighted in bold. To view an email, click on the inbox, sender's name, or the subject line. The name and icon below the topic indicate that the email contains an attachment. Replying to an email. You can reply to a received email. The reply also includes the original message. Therefore, both the original message as well as its reply will be visible to the recipient. To reply an email, click on the Reply button, type the text in the message box, and click on the Send button. Forwarding an email. You can send a copy of a received email to another person by forwarding it. To forward an email to another person, follow these steps. Step 1: open the email message you want to forward. Step 2: click the three dots in the upper right hand corner and a menu appears. Step 3: click on the Forward option. Step 4: enter the email address of the person you are forwarding the message to. Step 5: click on the Send button. So this is how you forward an email. Signing out email account. You should always close your email account once your task is over. The term for this is signing out. It is essential to sign out of your account so that no one else may access your emails or send unwanted emails from your account. Follow the steps below to log out of your email account. Step 1: click your profile icon. It is the circle at the top right side of the screen. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2: click on the Sign Out button. Chapter Recap. A dial-up connection is where you access the internet using phone lines. Broadband is faster than the dial-up connection as it provides high-speed internet through various transmission mediums. Wireless is fast because it connects to the internet via radio frequency. Mobile internet lets people use a smartphone and the service provider's network to connect to the internet. Hotspots are internet access points that lie within a limited distance, which is around 20 meters. An email address consists of two parts, a username and a domain name that are separated by @ symbol. You can use your email to send images, documents, or any other files. You can get an email address by creating an email account. The recipients marked in BCC are not shown to other recipients of the email. It is important to close your email account properly by signing out.